Welcome back. Talk Derby TV with 10 Gauge Rate to Rage. Here in the hot seat, I have Patty Bolaños. Thank you.
Thank you.
And
Maribel Tweet.
Maribel.
Yeah, Maribel's easy.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for showing up, and thank you for coming on my show, Talk Derby to Me, here at CentralValleyTalk.com. And let's talk about AAA. That's what you do.
Yes.
So let everybody know what is it that you do with AAA and the different types of insurance and traveling.
Okay, so we do, we are a member-based organization. So I'm here to talk about our roadside service. Our roadside service is our touring package that we offer to members. It's a membership that is follows you in any vehicle you're in. And not also a membership. It's not just a towing package, but it also offers you discounts, Disneyland, attraction parks. You know, there's a lot of Knott's Berry Farm discounts that you can get. You rent a car, you get discounts. You can get discounts at hotels. It's also like I said, it's your towing package. So you get free miles. You don't have to pay out of your pocket, which is really nice. A lot of companies, you have to send a receipt, wait for your check to get reimbursed, and we don't do that. And so it's a really nice feature that we have as far as our towing services. It's once a year, the fee. And like I said, it's really nice because it follows you in any car you're in. So it's not just one car, it's all the cars, any car you're in.
And how much does that cost?
We have 3 levels, and I have a sample here that I could show you. We have one that is 5 miles of free towing. This one's $57 for the year. We have another one that's 100 miles of free towing, and that one's $91 for the year. Or people that travel more than 100 miles and they like to just go out on the weekend and have a good time, and they're away, 200 miles, that's $119 for the year. So it's really awesome. I mean, you get a lot of benefits with the membership, and also it gives you access to our DMV. We actually have a DMV in our office, and a lot of people don't know that. So they can take advantage of using our DMV instead of waiting at the actual DMV for hours. They can actually go to our location and use our DMV. We also offer we have live specialists in our office. So they can go in there and talk to a life specialist there if they need to. We have a full travel agency, which Maribel is part of the travel agency there. And right now what we have going on is we actually have, if you buy a membership or if you already have a AAA membership and you want to add an associate, like a member, if you want to add someone else to your membership,
like your spouse or your daughter or son or something like that to your existing membership, or if you want to become a new member, we do have a promotion right now, and that's the ring,
the replica ring. And so all those Fresno State fans, I know they want this ring.
Yes.
And let's check it out. It's awesome. If you already have your membership and you just want to add someone, or even a Christmas gift. You want to get a roadside service for someone for Christmas. This is a really nice.
I've already have one,
and
this is going to be a Christmas present for my brother. Yes, it's a replica.
Oh my goodness!
Yes.
This would be really great for someone that's a diehard Fresno State fan.
Yes.
Oh yes. Yes. So I recommend anybody that wants to get one of these babies here, just go ahead and you can give us a call. And we'll be more than happy. Just say, hey, we saw you at the show, and we will give you a Fresno State ring, championship ring.
That's a good deal.
It is. It is,
especially for someone that is, a diehard Fresno State fan. I was looking at the different prices that you said, and this is a really good deal. You have 200 miles, free fuel, and free delivery.
Yes.
And locksmith, because I don't know how many times I've locked my keys in my car.
Yes.
I'm sure you get that a lot.
The locksmith with the Premier includes your home.
Your home too.
Which is really nice because normally the locksmith with the AAA Plus, it only includes the car. So you get locked out of your car. With the Premier, you have that additional benefit of if you locked out of your home, you could call locksmith and you would get reimbursed for that.
That
as well.
Good to know.
And another great thing about the Premier is you get windshield repair. $50.
I've used it.
Yes, it's really
and
nice.
it is easy to use.
Explain a little bit more about that windshield.
Well, I had a little crack in my window, and I called and I filed a claim, and it was a $50 deductible. I paid that $50. They came over, they fixed my windshield, and I brought my receipt in, and I received my $50 back. They just sent me a check for $50.
That's good. Good to know, especially people that travel a lot like me.
Oh, yeah.
I have a few cracks on my window, and that's from like diesel trucks and rocks
Yes.
Yes.
falling and hitting
Yes.
my car. And so I just, honestly, I haven't even replaced my windshield
Oh,
because
yeah.
it's just so bad now. I'm just
Yes.
like, okay, I'm waiting for another rock. Because right after I got my new car, the rock just
Yeah.
hit it. And I'm
Yeah.
like, you know what?
Yeah.
I was crushed.
Yeah. And we also have a 1-day free car rental with the tow. So that's
With the
really,
tow, yes.
yes, so that's really awesome to have. So I really recommend people getting their roadside service through AAA. Yeah, we are rated A+, and it's a great gift to have or even to give to someone.
Especially right now, right before the holidays,
Yes.
it's a really good gift to give for Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
You say, I'm thinking about you, and this is something that's going to keep you safe throughout the year.
And there's no age limit. So you can have, a 5-year-old have their own membership because if they're in sports and they're riding with other people,
Oh, that is right.
Yes.
if
You're
they
still
have-
going to think about it. I didn't
Yes.
even think about that.
Yeah, so there's a lot of benefits. You don't have to have a driver's license. This is really great. And like I said, it comes with, you get one of those, you get this awesome Fresno State ring, which is really cool. So
You said a little bit about travel.
Yes.
I know that a long, long time ago, I purchased tickets for Disneyland. It was, probably like 15 years ago with AAA, and I know the prices have went up. What else do you offer? Any attractions that you guys offer?
Well,
for
we are a full-fledged travel agency, so we actually do world travel. We do cruises, Hawaii, Mexico. If you want escorted tours, we do a little bit of everything. And what's really popular, especially for the West Coast, is the 3 and the 4 night Baja Mexico cruises. Those cruises are really inexpensive if you're going within actually November, December, and January. That's the time to go. Summertime is always high season. So anywhere you travel, doesn't matter where or what type of travel, it's always going to be a good 20 to 30% more just because it's summertime. Okay, so but no, we can do any type of travel. And the nice thing about our travel agency is that for cruises and a lot of the tours, you can come in, do a deposit, and you can book for a cruise for next December if you wanted to make payments. So you could do a deposit. And then you can make payments throughout the year. And we have a final payment date that we schedule. And as long as you have it paid by that date, you're set to go. And that makes it a lot more reasonable and affordable for a lot of people, and it's easy to do.
Absolutely, and you can. That's because some people put money away in their
Yes.
bank account for that.
Yes.
Well, if they already have a set trip, let's say in another year, I want to go to take a Disneyland or go to Disney World. I could set that up and
Yes.
make payments, and then I don't have to worry about it the last minute.
Exactly.
Everything is pretty much covered. I just need spending money.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, that's an extra
That's a good
fun.
plan. That's a good
Extra
plan.
plan, yeah.
That's really good to know, especially families that would like to take a vacation every year.
Exactly.
So, not everybody gets to take a vacation. Some people don't have days off for vacations. So that is really good to know. Anything else?
yes, we also offer auto insurance, home insurance. We specialize in those products. We also specialize in classic cars. So for those fans that have the, to the motorcycle
Yeah.
or just an older vehicle that's classic and it's in their garage.
Mustang.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
So we have those kind of products that we offer at AAA. We have multi-car discounts. If you bundle your home and auto, you get up to 20%, which is really nice.
Definitely. The more products you have with us, the more you save.
And for those that have teens, they're 16s, we offer Teen Smart Safety course for them, which qualifies them for a better rate.
Oh, that's great.
Oh, yes.
How can people find you?
So you can call me at 559-440-7266. That is my direct phone number. You can reach me at that line. And my name is Patty. Just ask for Patty. If you have any questions regarding travel, they can call me, and I can always be happy to transfer the call to Maribel.
Yeah.
And Maribel?
Okay, if you want to quote on travel, you're welcome to call. And even if you're not a member, you're welcome to give me a call. I'll be happy to help you and give you that quote. My number is 440 7313.
Thank you very much, ladies, and I
Thank
appreciate
you.
it. I
Thank
look
you.
forward to
Thank you for
meeting
having
with you
us.
on travel and
Thank
insurance.
you.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
very much. We'll be right back after this.